Hey designers, today I'm going to show you how to duplicate lines, and you can also apply it to other shapes and forms. Alright, here we go! I'll show you 3 different ways you can do this, and you can apply it to your design however you see fit. First approach, we're going to go to the line tool that's next to the type tool. Then hold in Shift and drag to make it straight. You can also click on your Align tab on Horizontal Align Center. It will center your line, or you can do this after. Now select your line, hold in Alt key and drag. This will duplicate the line. Now you're going to repeat this move by holding Ctrl and hit D multiple times, and this will duplicate your last move. Alright, second approach. Have one line selected. Go to Effect and select Distort and Transform. From there, select Transform. Make sure you have your preview on so you'll see what you're doing or changing. I'm going to make a few copies and change the vertical width. This is the distance between each line. And then make more copies, however many copies you want. With this approach, you will notice there are no individual lines. You cannot move them individually. But I'll show you how you can change that. Select your line, go to Object up top, and select Expand Appearance. Now you have them individually, but they're grouped. To ungroup them, right-click on them and select Ungroup All. And now you have them individually right here, and you can move them. The third approach, have one line at the top and one line at the bottom. Select both of them and double-click on Blend. From the Spacing tab, select Specified Steps if you don't have it selected. Enter a number. You can go back and edit that again. The orientation depends if you don't have a path or you have a path. So in this case, I'm going to just select Page. And we're going to click OK. And you're going to see it doesn't work if you click anywhere else but on the anchor point. And when you hover over the anchor point, you will see a plus sign and a black square. And then you can click on it. Then you can go back to the Blend tool, double click it, and then you can change the number of lines again. And you'll see these lines are not individually separated, just like the other one. And because we have 2 lines, we are going to select both of them. And we're going to do the same thing we did with the other approach. So while you have them selected, go to Object and select Expand. Then click OK. Then right-click and select Ungroup. Now you have them all separated and you can move them individually. And that's it! I hope this was useful information and you've learned something today. Please follow, like, subscribe, and share. It helps reach more people and supports my channel. Thank you so much.